Hi, it's Mike with Thrive, and welcome to December's SEO Performance Report. Just as we have done in prior months, we track several key performance indicators, or KPIs, and we do that to keep track of our overall campaign performance and keep an eye on the overall health of the website. Diving right in, our first key metric is our top 5 keywords. Our top 5 keywords are keywords and queries that are rendering positions 1 through 5, and that's on the first page of the Google search results. So taking a look at our results for December, we ended the month at 326 top 5 keywords. That's up from 314 in November and 308 in December. Nearly a all-time record, but a definite all-time best for December, looking back at 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, respectfully. We are finally updating this report, and we'll be removing 2015, 2016, and 2017, and the that null set over there on the left. So just to update you, moving forward into January, this will have a little less data and less lines to look at, so it'll be a little bit more clear. Let's take a deeper dive in those keywords and see what kind of volume and rankings they provided to us in December. Load our keywords here, as you can see. I've loaded our keywords here, as you can see to the left, the actual keyword followed by the search engine result, then followed by the corresponding position, the amount of competition, the average search in monthly volume, and then the cost per click that we, from an SEO standpoint, we just use that to determine relevancy. Then looking at our keywords, we break them into two components, one being our branded, the other being our non-branded. And then taking a look here, our branded positions have remained in position 1, and we have a lot of search results that are in position 1, as you can see. And then looking here, commercial doors, Burrowston, when loaded service door, moving 5 positions to number 2. And then, as you see, commercial doors Magnolia moving up 23 positions to number 4. So we should definitely get some relevant traffic from those non-branded keyword increases. Overall, looking very healthy in terms of our non-branded and branded, maintaining our top positions, and also moving up with regards to non-branded keywords. So a really welcomed end to the year in terms of ranking and keywords. Next key metric is total traffic. Total traffic is measured in sessions, and a session is when a visitor goes to more than one web page within the website. We use sessions because it automatically filters out any bot traffic, and we like to look at real user behavior with regards to our traffic and look at the content they engage with. It's kind of a mishmashy here, as you can see. This is why we're removing those 2-3 other prior years. But again, 2000, three. I'm trying to get it here. 2050 for 2020, so that outpaced every other year. So we finished December really, really strong. So that's great. And that's pretty in step with the prior month and the month before that. So we're seeing consistent levels of session traffic. So that's fantastic. And we should get a little bit more of a lift going into January, since we did see some of those keywords that had some positive movement to the top of the page. So we should definitely get some relevant engaged traffic from those search terms. So really finishing the end of the year strong, outpacing 2018, 19, and 17 respectively. Let's take a look at the specific channel sources that contributed to this to the session data in our next screen. Our SEO report here in this screen. Keep in mind of the active link within this content that goes directly to your shared project folder. Within that folder, you can find this report, our 3 key metrics, and your project timesheets. Please let me know if you have any trouble locating that. Looking at our date, we're looking for our year-to-year. Comparison December over December. For November and December, we like to do that. It really gauges the encompasses the seasonality, and then we can kind of see how we did year over year. All traffic up just about 14.85%, and again, organic just about even. 1390 versus 1391. So that was welcome to see. Again, pushing most of the sessions in terms of the distribution of traffic, followed by direct paid search. Notably, paid search had a really nice increase, 53% and 53% new users. Our page breakdown, and then diving into our conversions and leads, as we see the traffic was a lot more engaged than a year ago, with 84 completions versus 58, and a soaring 4.1%, 4.10% conversion rate versus 3.25. So that has actually gotten better. And to begin with, that conversion rate is astronomically high. It's really good to see that. And then looking back, as you can see, the page distribution, just about all green with the exception of the standard garage door sizes. We do have some fluctuations in that traffic, but looking year over year, just about every page is positive. Again, looking at the overall breakdown and channel distribution, organic, direct, paid, and referral. And then looking at our qualified leads year over year, as you can see, 84 topped out. All prior years, that's slightly down from November at 97, but again, we're producing record-setting month over month qualified leads, 2 Texas overhead door every single month. So we are forecasting this to continue, and we look forward to continue and going into the new year 2021, and we look forward to making that a more successful year than 2020. Thank you, guys. That concludes our report for this month. We really appreciate your business. Thrive appreciates you as a client, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.